Hello viewers, welcome to Shabas Math Corner. Let us see the ascending and descending order of decimals. Okay, in the previous video we have uploaded the expansion conversions of decimals and all. Okay, now we are going to see ascending and descending and addition, subtraction and all. Okay, ascending order. What is meant by ascending? Small to big. That is, if the numbers are arranged in small to big order, that is called ascending order. Let us see in this decimal 1.1, 1.01, 0.11 and 1.11. So in this 4, which is the smallest one? Before decimal you should compare. So before decimal I have 0.11. So my smallest number is 0.11. Okay. Next one 1.1, 1.01. Surely 1.01 is smaller. Clear? And third one, you see, compare this to 1.1 and 1.11. In this 1.1 means it is 1.10. So it is 10, it is 111. So my third digit is 1.10. And the last one is 1.11. After the decimal, you should not read the digits together, children. You should not read like 1.11. It is wrong. Just you have to read 1.11. Clear? Let us see one more example. 2.3, 4.5, 1.2, 0.6 and 3.8. In this, which is the smallest one? Is it 0.6? So you write 0.6. So this number is over. Next one, here 1.2. So can I write 1.2 as the second number? And third one is 2.3. So before decimals you should compare, okay? So 2 I have. After 2 I have 3. So I can write 3.8 and the last digit is 4.5. Okay, similarly we have to do for descending order also. Let us see an example for descending order, children. First learn the digits 2.6, 3.8, 1.0, 7.6 and 1.2. In this, descending means big to small. So in this given numbers, which is bigger number, we know that 7. Here it is 2. 2 point means it is 2, 3, 1 and 7. Before decimal it is 7. Before decimal it is 1. So 7 is bigger. So I can write the first number as 7.6. And second digit, which is the second digit? Surely 3 is the second digit now. So I can write 3.8. So this number is over and 3.8 also over. 3 after, can I write 2? So 2.6 is my third number. Then fourth digits, compare this to here 1.0, here 1.2. So which is bigger? 1.2 is bigger than 1.0. So I could write this as 1.2 as my fourth number and 1.0 as my last digit. So descending order means arrange from big to small. And ascending order means small to big. I hope it's clear for you, children. Please keep on watching. Next, let us see how to add and subtract the decimal points. Okay, the question is 2.3 plus 4.78 plus 13.65. First step is what you should do now. Write the digits straightly. Okay, keep the decimal point straight away. Then write 2.3. What digit, what number they given first? First you write it 2.3. Then second number they given us 4.78. So 2 straight away write 4. Point, keep the decimal point straight. After decimal, first digit is 7 and second digit is 8. Okay, then plus 13. So here 1's place and this is 10's place. So in 10th place I have to write 1, 3.65. Then I can add together. When I'm adding, what I'll be getting? 8 plus 5. What is 8 plus 5, children? Whether we will get 13. So I'll write 3 here and the remaining in the 10th place. Okay, T and THS place. Then add everything together. 6. First you add these two. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. So write 7. Carry over 1 here. Then add 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10 now. Write 0. Carry over 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So my answer is 20.73. Understood, children? Let us see one subtraction problem also. Let us see how to do the subtraction. 1 minus 8 will not go. So I have to borrow 1 from the previous digit. So from 5 I am borrowing 1. So this will become 4 and this becomes 11. What is 11 minus 8? 11 minus 8 is 3, no? Right? 3 here. Then 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 1. From 2, if 1 is 1 means only 1. Keep a point straight away. 3 minus 1, it is 2. That is 2.103. Okay, so this is our subtraction answer. Clear, children? Next, let us see how to write the decimal into fraction and how to convert into lowest form. Okay, very simple, children. Now they given decimal. How to convert into fraction? Just you check after decimal how many digits. After decimal here 2 digits. 6 and 0. So we usually used to write as 60 by 100. Right? So this is the fractional form. And how to convert into smallest one? Very simple. Just you cancel 0, 0. What answer you will be getting? Are you getting 6 by 10? Can we cancel this by second table? Can we write this as 6 as 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10? Can we write? Then cancel this 2 and 2. So what is our standard form? Our standard form is 3 by 5. So this is our lowest form. Clear, children? We'll do one more example. 0.75. How to write 0.75? We can write as 75 by 100. So this is a fractional form. And 75, I can write simply as 25 into 3 is 75. And 25 into 4 is 100. Correct, no? And I can cancel this 25 and 25. I will be getting 3 by 4. So this is my lowest form. I hope it's clear for you, children. Then let us see how to read the decimals. Okay, how to read. Some of them don't know to read and write the decimals. Okay, for example, if I have given you as 0.34, how to read this? You want to read this as 0.34, not 34, 0.34. Sometimes if I am giving you as 17.36, how to read? 17, write in words, 17.36. I hope it's clear for you, children. Keep on watching our channel for more videos like this, children. In the next video, we can see how to multiply and divide the decimal points and also how to add and subtract the combined decimals. Okay, children, keep on watching. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.